Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we will learn how to send automated SMS to IndiaMART leads. So IndiaMART is India's largest online B2B marketplace which connects buyers with suppliers. So here, whenever I receive a new lead through IndiaMART, I wish to send an automated SMS to that lead. So here to send an automated SMS, I'm using ClickSend, which is a business communication software. So to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using Pabbly Connect, where my trigger application will be IndiaMART and my action application will be ClickSend. So to learn how I set up the integration between these two, follow me through the screen.
In this video, we will learn how to send automated SMS to IndiaMART leads. So here my objective is that whenever I receive a lead through IndiaMART, which is India's largest online B2B marketplace, then I want to send an automated SMS to that lead. Now here in this message, you can share the product details, product brochure, etc. Let's say that here I have received a query and then I'm going to reply to the query using ClickSend. So now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. And now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name, and I have named it as send automated SMS to IndiaMART leads. And here on my left hand side, you can see that these are the folders I have created. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as IndiaMART, and now I will click on create. As I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. So basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action. So moving to my use case, that is to send automated SMS to IndiaMART leads. So over here in my trigger window, I'm going to search for IndiaMART, and here it is. And now after selecting my trigger application, I will select the trigger event. So the trigger event will be new leads. So this workflow will be triggered every time when a new lead will be captured in IndiaMART. Now here on my right hand side, it is written that this trigger will check for new data in 24 hours, which means our trigger application is polling based. So the workflow is going to run in every 24 hours to fetch for new leads. So now I need to establish a connection between my IndiaMART account and Pabbly Connect. So over here, I will click on connect. And if you have an existing connection, you can go with the same, or you can simply add a new connection. So here to add a new connection, I need to mention the CRM key. So this here is my IndiaMART account, and I will go to my profile, and here I will go to settings. And in settings, I will go to account settings, and then I will click on the CRM API IndiaMART.com. So this here is the API key that I have generated for myself. So I will simply copy it, and I will go to Pabbly Connect, and over here I'm going to paste, and now I will click on save. Once Pabbly Connect and IndiaMART is connected, then I am going to quickly refresh the fields. And now I will click on save and send test request button. And here I've received the response. Here is the unique query ID, here is the subject, and here is the sender state. And here you can see the sender name along with the sender mobile number and the details like sender city, query time, and the query product name along with the query message. So as the lead details is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect, I will move with my further objective, that is to send automated SMS to IndiaMART leads. So I will simply scroll down. And here in my action window, as I'm sending the SMS through ClickSend, so here I'm going to search for ClickSend, and here it is. And after selecting my action application as ClickSend, I will select the action event as to send a new SMS. So as I've selected my action application and the action event, now I will simply click on connect to establish a connection between ClickSend and Pabbly Connect. And here, if you have an existing connection, you can go with the same, or you can simply add a new connection. So to add a new connection, I need to enter the username and the API key. So I will take you to my ClickSend account, and over here, I will go to developers, and then I will go to API credentials. And here is the username and the API key. So firstly, I will copy the API key, go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste the API key over here. And now I will copy the username from here. I will paste the username, and now I'm going to click on save. And here you can see that ClickSend is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. Now moving to number. Here I need to mention the number of the lead to whom I want to send the SMS. So from the response received, I will map the mobile number. So basically mapping is to insert the data from previous steps. So here is the mobile number and I've mapped it. Now moving to from. Here if you have a ClickSend dedicated number that you have purchased, so you can mention it. If you don't have it, then you can leave this field blank. So here in the field of message, I have framed a message which goes as, Dear, your query regarding the subject requirement for solar panels has been received. We will get back to you within 24 hours. Please feel free to connect with us at admin@pabblytudes.com. Regards, Pabbly Connect. So this here is the SMS that I want to send to a lead, but after dear, I want to mention the name of the lead. So here I will be mentioning the name of the lead and I've mapped the name. So this method of mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response with new data, so that data can be gathered over here. If I would have written this information manually, in that case this information would have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So as I've mapped the details, now moving further, over here, if you want to mention a scheduled at time, so you can do that. But as of now, I want to send this SMS immediately, so I'm leaving it blank. Moving to source. So as I'm getting these leads from IndiaMART, so here I'm going to mention IndiaMART. And here I've mentioned it. Now I will simply click on save and send test request. And here I've received the response and the response code is success and the message is queued for delivery. So here you can see the message body as well. Now I will show you the message that has been sent. So this here is an automated SMS that has been sent to this lead. That means this integration and automation was a successful one. Now whenever a lead will be received through IndiaMART, then an automated SMS will be sent to that lead through ClickSend.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.